Hey guys, what's up? It's JB here. I'm doing another saber reveal. My head is kind of getting chopped off a little bit. It's like kind of hard to do videos now a little bit because I have a puppy, so he's always crying and getting into stuff like that. Losing sleep since I sleep during the day with my job, so it's a little bit hard to get videos out, but we're still putting out sabers. I have Amanda's saber here in this video. This is a Saber Forge ASP, so this is her setup. I don't know the part numbers and stuff like that or the names, but yeah, this is her hilt that she made. This has a Prizm 5.1 or 5.5, I think. Either way, it's not a NeoPixel, so it doesn't matter on that part. But yeah, it's using our dual tack switch assembly that you can find on Etsy. Clicky click. And it's got our kill key, so you have to see. Yeah. And access to the chassis. Not that you'll need it, but just in case you wanted to change your fonts. It is in here, so you just gotta tap it out and it'll come right out. You can use the cover tech. So my method was always to get like my knee and hit the cover tech knob on my knee sideways, and then the chassis will slowly start to slide out to a point where you can pull it out. And don't hit your knee too hard because it does hurt. So it's almost out. You can put like a towel or something and it'll be a lot easier. Slowly coming out. So this is a really snug build, obviously, because it's a Prizm. You got a lot of wires going in. I'm just making sure because I'm cooking something in the background. Cooking some breakfast, dinner, I don't know what you call it. So I want to get the chassis out just to show you guys, so I'll probably just do a jump cut when I get it out. Alright, so we got it out. Took a little while because it is tight. But yeah, once you have the chassis up enough, you can just pull on the chassis carefully and you'll be able to pull it out. So it's real tight, which is good. I mean, if you're going to be dueling with it, it's a really good method to have a tight chassis. So there's your Prizm, and there's your SD card in case you want to change your fonts and stuff, your colors, you want to add more colors and stuff like that. So yeah, so just put this back in, try not to touch the speaker, push it in through the edges. For this one, I try to push it down as much as possible. That's why it took a while to get out. That way you can have more resonance for your speaker, so it would be a lot louder. But yeah, so this is using the default colors on it. This is our commission form that we started using a couple years ago, but we really haven't pushed it. And I really like this because it keeps everything organized. You don't have to go back to the customer and ask them like, hey, what fonts did you want again, or what's your address? This is something that I came up with, and I need to look for it because it was on my old phone, and I need to update it because it still has like CF8 and Prizm 5.1. So yeah, we're gonna be revising this, and I need to find out a way to make this digital. That way I can print it out at home. That way you guys can fill it out if you have a commission. But anyway, the fonts that she wanted was Flourish by Madcow. These are all by Madcow, by the way. Flourish, Hero, Rogue, Fates, and Revenge. So those are all the fonts that are on this saber.
Rogue.
So here's Rogue, obviously. Right tack switch is your activation. Left is your auxiliary. I changed the gate to 15. That's what we like to put on our Prizms, so you have really good sensitivity. I'm not gonna go through all the colors since we've done this, you know, so many times in the past. But I will go through the fonts. And give me one sec, because I'm gonna check out this food that I'm cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I needed to stir that food or it was gonna, you know, burn on me. But thank God for non-stick pans, right? So yeah, we're going through the fonts. That was Rogue. So now we're gonna go to, I don't think these are in order, but you guys know the fonts, so. Wrong button. So I'm not too sure what font that is. Sorry about that. I'm gonna go ahead and put a blade in. Might as well, right? It's a nice Vader's Vault blade that I have here. Shall I turn the lights off? Yes, I shall. Ugh. Sweet. So it has a flash on flash. It's basically like a purplish white. Hopefully the fire does not start behind me. Again, I don't know what font this is, but I did list them. So you guys decide. Let me show you let me show you guys the window, hiding it. It's pretty cool. So these are colors that I set up just on the fly. Of course, when you change it, you just click both at the same time, and it's super easy with these tack switches. You just need one finger basically to change the colors. So. My favorite color, cyan. So those are all the colors, 15 or 16 I believe. We can go to the other font. And we're back to Rogue. So, yeah, there we go, cyan. I love cyan. So, Amanda, your saber's done. I ship on Fridays or the weekend, so you'll be seeing your saber next week, in the middle of the week, around there. So thank you for being patient. There's only a few people left waiting for sabers, and then my list is totally free. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.